Musical alphabet on bar shapes. You've now learned both the A bar shape and the A minor bar shape. The difference between these shapes is that one is a major chord shape and the other is a minor chord shape. To know which chord you're playing when sliding these two shapes up and down the neck, we need to practice a bit on the musical alphabet again. Remember that for the E and E minor bar shapes, it's your index finger's position on the low E string that determines the root note of the chord you're playing. However, on the A and A minor bar shapes, it's your index finger's position on the A string that decides the note of the chord. So, we gotta use the musical alphabet on the A string as well. Remember, there are only 12 notes spread out on the fretboard, and they're all in the same order. Playing the open A string gives you an A. Playing the first fret is A sharp. Then B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and then it starts from A again. So wherever you position your index finger on this string decides the name of the chord you're playing, and the kind of shape decides whether it is a minor or major chord. So if your index finger is on the first fret, which is A sharp, you'll be playing A sharp minor or A sharp major, depending on which shape you use. Slide your index finger 1/2 step to the second fret and you're playing a B minor or B major, and so on. So try to memorize the alphabet on the A string. In the next lesson, we will revisit the musical alphabet tool and focus on the A string notes. Good luck.